How to make money online today using LinkedIn. This is probably the only video you're going to watch today where you can actually make money online today. We're going to give you this beautiful landing page that we created, your humble host, Coach Solomon. We're going to leave the link below so you can take the tour. This is a beautiful, high tech sales machine right here that you're going to use on the LinkedIn platform to make $50 payments. Okay, people are going to pay you $50 to gain access to our course through this landing page. The course is already made for you. All the hard work and heavy lifting has already been done for you. This is the course. Once the people on LinkedIn, once they purchase the course, they're going to come inside. They're going to come here. Okay. We're going to show you how to set this up, how to reach out to business owners, how to set up your LinkedIn account. We made this beautiful video as well. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. Coach Solomon, I've been online for 10 years. Started off with video ad creation, video marketing, a business called x1kcommercials.com. Check it out. We've acquired 55 plus completed video marketing, video ad creation businesses. Guys, you're not going to find another video like this. Check us out. Payday, 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 payday. And these aren't our cousins and our nephews. We actually have the video ad creation, video marketing projects we completed. This is the social proof. Coach Solomon is the real deal. You come into contact with an elite master digital marketer. We found all those paying clients without paid ads, just going out on social media, hand in hand combat, engaging fellow business owners. So after you acquire the landing page, we'll just give you a little bit more of a tour to see how beautiful this thing is. I'm just showing off. We made this. We're using artificial intelligence, and we're giving you this away dirt cheap because once you acquire this landing page, we're going to come inside the community and we're going to teach you how to look like a professional. This is our community full of business owners who are also going to be using what we're doing right now in order to make the $50 payments, $50 payments, $50 payments. My line is a little bit slow right now, but when you come on the inside, you're going to go to start here. And what you're going to do is you're going to follow the instructions. You're going to follow each post. You're going to create an account on the profile so we can see who you are. You're going to have a team on the inside. We're going to be working together. We know that friends and family members, they don't get it. They don't understand the online game. We're your new family now. We're going to be your new team. Okay. So you're going to come on the inside. You're going to create your profile. You're going to create your account. And then you're going to reach out to Black Rivers LLC, that account. And we're going to communicate. But after you acquire the course, there's going to be instructions set up for you. $50 payment, guys. $50 payments. Beautiful landing page. I've been online for 10 years. And as I said before, direct sales marketing is the fastest way to make money online. You can make money with this today. Now, let's say, for instance, if you already have your own business, you say, I can't market two businesses. You don't need to. Just continue to market your own business on LinkedIn. You should be reaching out to business owners on the LinkedIn platform. If you don't know how to do that, then you should acquire and pay $50 for the course. So you can learn how to market your business on the LinkedIn platform, because as you're reaching out to business owners on a daily basis on the platform, once the conversation is over, I would say something like, you know what? A friend of mine just threw me a LinkedIn training that's been benefiting my business tremendously. I could throw you the link if you want. $50. You're going to pay for that. That's how money is made online, guys. We're going to give you the landing page. You're going to come inside the community. And if you're a high performer, guys, when you just come inside of this community, you're not going to be alone. We're going to be masterminding. I'm online every day. If you're a high performer, you can come with us to join a team where we're going to go for the $3,000 to $10,000 clients. What you're learning right now is just the basics, the essentials. That's what you're teaching you, the basics and the essentials of expert digital marketing and networking. I've been online for 10 years, guys. Trust me, there's literally millions of professionals on the LinkedIn platform who don't know how to do what I'm going to show you how to do. Okay. And once we find out that you're a high performer, you're going to come with us. We're going to put together a 3-4 man team, and we're going to go hunting on LinkedIn for the 3K, the 10K. Okay. I want Cancun in December. I know you guys want it too. Okay. Coach Solomon, Black Rivers, the new family. Click the link below. There's a small sacrifice in order to obtain all this information. The landing page, Coach Solomon supporting you, expert marketer, the community with the opportunity for 3K, 10K sales, guys. Stop playing games, man. It's about to get cold outside. It's August, man. Okay, so click the link below, acquire the landing page. Okay, acquire the course, come inside, create your account inside of Black Rivers community, and we're going to talk pretty soon, guys. Like, share this. If you feeling this, if you're feeling the energy off this video, the potential of what you can do with this, like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys.